Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum ji. We will continue our discussion on KNN. I assume now you have a very good understanding of KNN algorithm. How does it work? How do we formulate KNN algorithm? What are the hyperparameters of KNN? By the way, what are the hyperparameters of KNN? Distance metric and K, number of neighbors you use while carrying out predictions, right? And we know what are the possible choices of distance metric we have. And we also talked about how do we learn K by splitting the data into training data and validation data. In today's module, we will talk about the convergence of KNN algorithm. What do we mean by convergence? We will talk about error convergence of KNN, that when number of data points in the training data or when the size of training data increases, misclassification error or error rate converges to some threshold value. हम उसको drive करेंगे आज. Okay. So our plan would be that we will show that the error rate or misclassification rate of one nearest neighbor classifier converges as number of points in D increases or number of points in your data set increases. To show this convergence, we will derive that one nearest neighbor classifier is only a factor of 2 worse than the best possible classifier. हम show ये करेंगे. Okay, first we will derive what is the misclassification rate of best possible classifier we can have. And after deriving that, we will derive the error rate of one nearest neighbor classifier. And we will show that error rate of 1 and n is less than or equal to 2 times error rate of optimal classifier. That means 1 and n is only a factor of 2 worse than the best possible classifier. Okay, so let's talk about the best possible classifier first. We recall that we have a learning problem in hand in which we formulated this training data. So we have n number of data points in D. We have X and Y. So X belongs to feature space and Y belongs to label space. And this set D is a subset of D dimensional feature space times label space. Right? And we want to develop a model that can predict the label for the input for which label is unknown using K nearest neighbor. And we recall that we assumed that data points in D are drawn from some unknown distribution Pxy, right? So for this learning problem, we can have the best possible classifier, what we refer to as Bayes optimal classifier. We will talk about this in great detail, the Bayesian framework, but this is just the first glimpse. Okay, so what is a Bayes optimal classifier? If we assume for a moment that we know the distribution P, which is in fact, which is almost never the case. We do not know the distribution P, but if we assume that we know the distribution P, we can predict the most likely label of a data point X, test data point X, as follows. So we determine probability that given X, what is the probability of having a label Y, and we choose the label Y star that maximizes this probability. Right? So this is a Bayes optimal classifier, right? The Bayes optimal classifier is as good as it gets, but it still can make mistakes, right? And the error rate for a Bayes optimal classifier is the probability that is the probability of misclassification, that incorrect label is assigned to X. Or we can say if a sample does not have the most likely label, that is misclassification. And we want to compute this probability of misclassification, और इसे हम कहेंगे कि error rate है, right? So we can say probability of misclassification or error rate can be computed using this. Let me explain this, right? Okay, what do we have? So P y star X, sorry. So probability of y star X, just a minute. Yeah, okay. So this is the probability that the label is predicted correctly, right? The error would be the label has not been assigned correctly. This will be simply 1 minus P y star X, right? So this is the error or probability of misclassification for a Bayes optimal classifier. Okay, so before we move forward, I would like to emphasize that okay, so we cannot have a Bayes optimal classifier because we cannot, in most of the, in fact, in all the times, we do not know this distribution P, but still we are using this Bayes optimal classifier. And the reason is that this Bayes optimal classifier, this provides a highly informative, this lower bound on the error rate. So you have multiple classifiers, right? And you want to evaluate the performance of different classifiers. So the performance of every classifier cannot beat the performance of Bayes optimal classifier, right? This is the best you can have, right? And therefore this error, what's written here, this is a lower bound on the error rate, right? So error rate of any classifier cannot be lower than this. Okay, so we have derived the error rate of Bayes optimal classifier. Now we move towards the error rate of nearest neighbor classifier, right? So हम start करते हैं कि we assume that we have one NN classifier and we want to determine the misclassification error of 1 NN as number of points in your data goes to infinity, right? So for a test point X, हम assume करते हैं कि the 1 NN classifier assigns label of X and N to X. So classifier कौन सा हमारे पास? We have 1 NN classifier, and this classifier a label of X and N to a test point X. So X is our hang on, test point. Okay, we can easily show that as number of points increase to infinity, अगर number of points बहुत बढ़ा दें, so X and N would become, or the distance between X and N and X would be almost zero, right? In fact, वो zero को approach करेगा because you are filling the space, you're filling all the space from which the distribution is, from which the data set is drawn, right? So it simply mathematically, it means that as N approaches infinity, the distance between X and X and N approaches zero, right? And if you recall, it simply means X and N approaches X. इसकी interpretation क्या है? The interpretation is that 1 NN classifier would return you, in fact, a label of X, right? The true label of X, right? But there's a possibility that X and N has been assigned incorrect label, right? So there is a possibility of error, right? And okay, let's derive that error, right? And what we call it error rate. So again, we use same definition of error rate, that is probability of misclassification. और इस केस के अंदर the misclassification corresponds to having a different labels of X and X and N. So there's a possibility कि X and N को जो label assign हुआ है वो incorrect है, और that means कि X के label assign वो भी incorrect होगा, right? Okay. So we want to compute the probability of having different labels of x and xn, right? और इसको हम 2 steps में compute करते हैं, right? First, we compute what is the probability that y is the correct label of x, but x and n has a different label, right? So y is the correct label of x, and x and n has a different label, right? So, and this is given by this probability. What is this? What is the first term here? Probability that y is a label of x, y given x, right? And 1 minus probability of y given x and n. That means x and n has a different label. So probability of y given x and n, probability that x and n has a y label. But 1 minus probability of y given x and n, that x and n has a different label. Right? So the product of these two would give you probability that y is a correct label of x, but x and n has a different label, right? Okay, next we compute that what is the probability that y is the incorrect label of x, but x and n has y label. How do you compute this mathematically? How would you formulate this, right? X and n has y label using distribution P, right? So you can write probability y given x and n times 1 minus probability of y given x, because probability of y given x is probability of label having x having a label y. So 1 minus probability of y given x, that x has been assigned a different label, right? Or y is the incorrect label of x, and but x and n has y label, right? So this can be simply given by this. And because both of these instances correspond to misclassification, we can define error rate as simply a sum of these two probabilities, right? So probability of y given x and n, 1 minus probability of yx, plus probability of y given x, 1 minus probability of y given x and n. Right? So this is error rate. This is probability of misclassification for 1 and n classifier, right? So this is for 1 and n. Classifier. Okay. So far, we have not used the fact, we have not talked about convergence of this error, right? This is simply an error. Okay, let's talk about how does this error converge when number of points approach infinity, right? So we have determined this error. And if we use what we said earlier, that as n approaches infinity, x approaches x and n, right? And or if you substitute this in this equation, right, then this term would be same as this term, and x and n would be replaced with x, right? And you just simply add these two terms, and what you get is this. And if you compare this with what we had for the Bayes optimal classifier, in Bayes optimal classifier, so what was the error rate? The error rate was only this term, 1 minus probability of yx, right? What about this term, probability of y given x? Because this is a probability, this would be always less than or equal to 1. That means this term would be always less than or equal to, if you omit probability of y given x, because this quantity is always less than or equal to 1. So the resultant would be, so this quantity would be less than or equal to, if you replace probability of y given x with 1, right? The upper bound on probability of y given x, right? And this is in fact, in addition to this two, what's left here, this was, if you recall, so this was the probability of error of Bayes optimal classifier, right? So we can say that error rate of one NN classifier is less than or equal to twice of error rate of the optimal classifier. Or if you want to rephrase this, we can say if one nearest neighbor classifier is only a factor of 2 worse than the best possible classifier as the size of training data set approaches infinity. Right? So, okay, so we have a bound on, upper bound on error rate of KNN, 1NN in fact, 1NN algorithm. And we expect KNN for K greater than 1 to have a better performance than 1NN. ठीक है जी. So that was all about error convergence of KNN algorithm. Later we'll talk about more algorithms और हम इसी तरह उनकी convergence को derive करेंगे. So we stop here, and in the next module I will talk about computational complexity and storage complexity of KNN algorithm. ठीक है जी. We stop here and see you inshallah. Allah Hafiz.